It is based on a verse of Surah Kehef, 105. Yes, it is 105, Huzur. So the important portion of that verse is الذين ضل سعيهم في الحياة الدنيا وهم يحسبون أنهم يحسنون صنعا. He wants to know the interpretation of this portion, that الذين يحسبون أنهم يحسنون صنعا.
Of the industrial rise of the West, Christian West particularly. So they are making great things like television and things. Unbelievable things are being invented by them, but they're only for this world, for the sake of this world, and as such they will be rejected by Allah as things which will be destroyed ultimately, and at the same time they refuse to appear before Allah al-liqa'i, and because of that all their acts of apparent goodness will be go waste. So this is the gist of my answer. It can be expanded, of course.